Makeup tip is so underrated, but it's one of the most important things to do for flawless makeup. Start with a hydrating primer to make sure your skin is well hydrated. This will make sure your makeup blends smoothly on your skin without patchiness. And then use translucent loose setting powder to set that primer in place and to create a matte base for your foundation. So I like to use a damp beauty sponge, and I like to focus on my pores because this will also help minimize the pores. It also helps to absorb oiliness throughout the day. Once you've applied your powder, spray your skin with a setting mist to meld that powder with your skin. Now you want to go in with your foundation. You'll notice it blends seamlessly with your skin, and it's less likely to break down or get patchy throughout the day. And that's because you've created the perfect makeup base by using powder before foundation, giving you a natural and flawless finish all day long. Try it and let me know if it's helpful.
I can do my eyeliner in 3 seconds. Place it in the angle you want it, and easy. Just connect the dots. Look how perfect that line is. And just like that, my eyeliner is on. I've been trying to bend the rules since I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, cause I need to.
No. Exactly. No. Exactly.
Apply on your concealer, blend it out like normal, set it with the lightest amount of powder, just enough to set it into place and to get it mattified, and then go in with the baking technique. All you gotta remember is this: blend, set, bake.
No. Exactly.
We got a summer of the kind of movie love, hoping for some more of anything that comes along. Oh, forever high above, the kind of feeling of letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and night swims, never keeping track of time.
Carve top brow, carve bottom brow, other side, middle, all over lid, forehead, bridge of nose, cupid's bow, chin. Concealer on inner corner, concealer on outer corner, joined together. And other side, concealer below jawline, cream contour on forehead, cheekbones, jawline, sides of nose, eye crease, and other side. Blending from top to bottom, forehead, eyes, nose contour, under eyes, cheekbones, cupid's bow, chin. Add a little bit of your foundation, blend everywhere. Some liquid blush, blend. Fill in eyebrows, set under eyes, the cheekbones, brown eyeshadow, nude eyeshadow, shadow wing, a pair of lashes, powder bronzer, blush, lip liner, lipstick, and you're done.
I'm tempted by the way you throw your cards down, baby. So show me what you're made of. Dive in, cause we're swimming with the sharks now, baby. Better show me what you're made of. Whoa.
Baby girl, if your makeup looks cakey like this, or like this, it's because you're not prepping your skin the right way before wearing makeup. A flawless makeup routine should start with a good base prep. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Apply a hydrating toner or essence. Baby girl, remember to always apply your skincare within 5 minutes after washing your face. Then take a hyaluronic serum and apply it on damp skin. Did you hear that? Don't ever apply hyaluronic acid on dry skin because it can dry your skin out and cause irritation. Hyaluronic acid can hold water up to 1,000 times its own weight, which is super hydrating, but this is true only if your skin has hydration available. I'm using the Kindly Do You Hyaluronic Acid Serum because it maximizes hydration to avoid any cakiness and dry patches. And it's also under 200,000 rupiah. Then I put a heavy cream moisturizer to lock all that moisture in. Now, on days that my skin feels super dry, I add a facial oil, but this is only if you have really dry skin like me. And that's it. Okay, let me do my makeup and I'll show you the finished result. Okay, my makeup is done and look at that! My skin feels so smooth and hydrated. I am seriously in love. Okay, thank me later. Bye!
Foundation. Hack with a spoon. Gives you the most thin and even foundation application. Like second skin.